Good morning. It's a little bit after 7 a.m. The sun is just starting to come up. Today on Sounds of the Subcontinent, we're going to be starting a new series that focuses on the Prahar. These are the time divisions of a day in which ragas lend themselves to be performed or played. We're going to start out with the Prahar that's from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and in particular Rag Bhairav. So we'll explore that a little bit, talking about the historical reasons for these. So tune in to Sounds of the Subcontinent, music of the Indian subcontinent and music influenced by the culture of the region from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can listen by going to wcbn.org. Tune in.